Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the planning list checklist on the BACH application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on this home button down below in the left side corner of the screen. Then scroll down to the planning toolkit section and then click on the first option on the left side, 2-month checklist. And here you can find the planning checklist, including a bunch of things with a box that you can tap onto, and then a check mark icon will appear, and the thing to do section, as you can see, is strike through, so you can check out these things that are worth to consider. So here you can see these things organized into distinct groups: more than 3 months out, 3 months out, 2 months, and 1 month out. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.